Look, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna change that fan. See that back right there? See, I'm gonna move my big head. We're gonna get rid of that fan. We're gonna swap it out for another fan. So let's go ahead and do it. You ready? Let's do it. All right, before we get started, a couple of cautionary notes. And of course, my disclaimer. I'm doing this of my own free will. Because I was told to do it. Send help. You do this, do it on your own. If you're not comfortable doing it, then don't do it. Call somebody. I just want you to be confident in your abilities that you can do something. You don't need a lot of tools. Screwdriver, wire cutters, some electrical tape, and yeah, Phillips and a flathead. That's pretty much it. Follow the instructions, okay? Follow the flipping instructions, okay? Don't be a freaking chuckle nuts and not follow the instructions, all right? All right, look, she's wired, which is probably the hard part. So a couple of hints, or whatever you want to call it. I pre-assemble as much of the fan as I possibly can. That's specifically the blades. So let's go ahead and give it a test drive, okay? Wish me luck. I'm gonna go turn the circuit breaker on. Here we go. Success! Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the circuit breaker off so I can go ahead and put the cover up, make sure everything is neat and buttoned up, and there's no exposed wires and stuff like that. So that's it, we're almost there. So look, if you like what you're seeing, like, subscribe, comment, follow. You know, just help me out. I'm trying to have a good time. I'm trying to teach you guys, folks. If you want more information, let me know. You want less information, let me know. You want more dancing, you want more, you know, bloopers. I got plenty of those because I can't get this right. I'm still working with technology. Thank you for what you do. Enjoy your home and make that house that you just moved into your home. And things like this, they make a huge difference. So get after it. Have a good time. Take care. Enjoy the weekend. Boom! That's a wrap.